Now we will get into editing, and the first step that we will do is to create a project in Premiere Pro. That's the software we're going to use to edit all of the footage. So what we will do is we will go here and create a folder, project, and then we will open Premiere Pro, and in that we will create a new project. Let's name it destination. I'm just giving a random name. Then what you will do is you will import all of your data, all of your footage into the Premiere Pro. Now let's say select any file, and we will go through the file, all of the files. We have shot with the drone, we have shot with the GoPro, with the DSLR. Then I'll go through one by one and select it and put it on the timeline. So to create a timeline, what you have to do is you have to press Control N, and then you will create a new timeline. Select it and just click OK. A new timeline will be created. If you find this difficult, there is an easy way also. Just cancel this, go through camera, and just drag any footage onto the right side. It will automatically create a new timeline. Now we have this timeline, and we will rename this timeline as, let's say, base timeline. Now why I'm saying this as a base timeline, because this will help me creating a story in my mind. I try to find all of the interesting clips, and I just highlight that, so that when I'm creating a story, I know that these are the clips I am going to use it. This is not the final timeline. This is just the base. I'll just select all of the footage I want, I like, some of the footage that interest me, all of those activities that I have done there, all of the interesting clips basically. Now we'll go through a couple of clips, and I will tell you why I've selected those clips for my Kashmir video. So the reason I selected this drone shot, because it gives the vibe of the place. It has amazing hyperlapse going on, and it has snow-peaked mountains with the clouds covered. So it will look really good in the starting. I always had a dream of visiting Kashmir, and finally when it happened, I wanted this shot to exactly look like a dream. So, I'm just shooting this in Farron in the local cloth, and this shot gives a vibe, that I'm actually dreaming. So I'll give you an example of one more clip I selected. I was doing sledging for the first time, and it was really interesting, and it was really fun doing that. So I wanted to add that experience in my video, to show the real emotion, and it's coming out really good. One of the amazing moments we had when we were doing horse riding, and it was really funny, My girlfriend Sarika, she was really scared and happy at the same time, and I recorded that moment, so I added that, in the video.